Hello everyone. Sawadi. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for watching AJ and May Adventures. May and I were here in Indian Rocks, Florida, at a little nature park. As you can see, and you can pan around all here, this little lake, this little inlet, and it has like, it's just a nice little nature preserve.
It's wonderful area here.
It's very nice. It's beautiful. It's peaceful. Very tranquil. And then just keep panning over there to the right. Just keep going. And then you'll see like there's the bridge over there. And that's an actual drawbridge. That's one of several drawbridges down here along the Gulf Coast. So these little nature parks are kind of sprinkled along here. So that's pretty nice. This is our first time to this one, so we hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos, and we'll get some more content to you, okay? Thanks again, and May and I will see you again very soon, okay? We love you all. Please take care of yourselves, and please continue to watch and subscribe and share, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Or is that just a piece of wood? I don't know.
Look like a turtle. น้ำใส ปลา
It's a little bit bigger.
ปลาตัวเล็ก
See, what they do is some of the fish will go in underneath the shady areas just to kind of keep cool and stuff. Because obviously when it gets really hot, I mean, it gets uncomfortable for them too. So the only time they come out is if there's like, maybe for feeding or something. You know?
หมู่บ้านคนรวย ติดแม่น้ำ ชีวิตเรียบง่าย แต่แพงเวอร์ มีเรือด้วย นี่คือชีวิตของคนอเมริกา
Out there on their pontoon. That's a pontoon boat.
Pontoon boat. Oh, the woman look like
Just one person. How about that? One person.
One
on a
person.
pontoon boat.
Wow.
You can see maybe like 8-10 people.
But this only one.